Here is a full game plan for Sagittarius season for all three fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And right now, we are in the fast lane. Manifestations are instant. The creative energy is high, and Mercury is retrograde. This isn't about generic advice. This is about strategic alignment before the year ends. And here is the full breakdown. Aries, right now, you are in one of the most productive and creative phases of your entire year. You should have just realized in Scorpio season how to actually apply the skills that you've built over the last 6 to 7 months. Because now is the time to apply them, to accomplish exactly what you set out to do this year. Aries, what you work on now and what actually manifests tells a very important story. Things are happening fast, and that's either a good thing or a bad thing. You are either seeing things click into place, or you are realizing that this last year got a little out of hand, and what you are manifesting isn't exactly what you wanted. And right now, you must avoid putting energy into anything that is not aligned with your point of view. Do not ignore the manifestations that you're not a fan of. These are telltale signs that you either overextended your giving or you drifted too far from your vision. And we're going to want to salvage this creative phase. And we aren't quite ready to fix all of this yet. With Mercury retrograde, this may not be your favorite Sag season for all-out productivity. And that's okay. Use this retrograde to review where you came out of alignment. If you do this review now, there will be plenty of time for correction come Capricorn season. Aries, if you've been doing good work and aiming at your desires, the corrections needed next month will be small. Get back in touch with your own dream, because what you do now sets the stage for the greatest production that you will have all year. Stay close to your values, stay close to your vision, and you will be on the train to annual success. For Leo, your year is finally reaching full gear. Last month was about hard work and assembling the pieces. This month, it's about taking aligned action through greater creative output. Master the skills you've learned this year and put them to use on your ultimate goal. We are primarily focused with developing you. We are building the version of you that can create the result while still working on the overall picture. But be warned, if you have been wishy-washy or out of alignment with your goals, this part of your year will be filled with resistance. Leo, Mercury retrograde is eating up a large part of Sagittarius season. If you haven't been in alignment, you will experience lackluster manifestations. So we want to use this energy to take stock. If the result isn't what you want, be honest with yourself about the reality of it, and do as much output as you can toward the goals that you have right where you are right now. For any bigger changes, we will look at making those next month in Capricorn season. Right now, stay committed to the dream, take action that lights up your heart, and note what needs to change coming up. And now, Sagittarius. Happy birthday, Sagittarius. It is your season, and you are getting a fresh set of downs till your actual birthday hits. Your job is to let go of what didn't work last year. You need to orient yourself towards the vibe of this new year, and you don't have your solar return chart yet. So right now, we're relying on your Sagittarius intuition, that inner knowing, to derive the info that you need. We are finding the seeds to plant. This is the perfect time to set your sights on where you want to be in 12 months. And unless you have heavy Capricorn placements, you shouldn't have problems leaning more towards optimism regarding your positive future. If you feel overburdened or judged, it is time to let go of other people's opinions that are occupying your mind space. You need a fresh canvas to paint on. Right now, Sagittarius, it may be best to have some cake, get back in touch with what you believe, look into the future. Who do you want to be at your birthday next year? And what do you want to have accomplished? For the next 12 months, that is what we are working on accomplishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you made it to the end of this video, then I hope you squeeze everything you can out of Sag season.